Welcome. This video guides you through adding your Tesla Powerwall to the Tesla app for seamless energy management. We'll cover the simple steps to connect your Powerwall, monitor your energy usage, and understand its backup power capabilities, all within the Tesla ecosystem. As of late 2025, Tesla Powerwall is a cornerstone of their energy division. So let's dive right in. Before you begin, ensure your Powerwall is professionally installed and activated by a Tesla energy installer. You'll need a Tesla account linked to your energy products and the Tesla app installed on your iOS or Android device. Make sure your Powerwall is connected to your home's Wi-Fi network for seamless communication with the Tesla cloud. If your Powerwall has not been activated, please contact Tesla for assistance. First, open the Tesla app on your smartphone and log in with your Tesla account credentials. Next, navigate to the Energy tab within the app. If the tab is not visible, please contact Tesla support to have it enabled for your account. Then, select Add Product from the menu and choose Powerwall as the product you want to add. You'll be prompted to scan the QR code located on your Powerwall unit. Alternatively, you can manually enter the serial number if scanning isn't possible. Confirm the pairing process by entering the verification code that Tesla sends to your registered email address. Congratulations, your Powerwall is now connected to your Tesla app and ready for energy monitoring and backup power functionality. Once your Powerwall is connected, explore the Energy tab in the Tesla app for real-time insights into your home's energy usage. The dashboard provides a comprehensive view of your energy flow, showing how solar, grid, and battery power work together. You'll see live charts displaying solar production, showing how much energy your panels generate throughout the day. The grid consumption chart tracks energy from the utility grid, helping you see when you're buying power versus selling excess back. The battery charge-discharge chart shows your Powerwall status, indicating when it's charging from solar or discharging to power your home. The overall home energy usage chart provides a breakdown of your total consumption, helping you identify peak usage times and energy-hungry appliances. Together, these live charts provide a comprehensive view of your energy flow, from solar generation to battery storage and grid interaction, empowering you to make informed decisions about your energy consumption habits. The Tesla app provides detailed historical analytics for your energy usage. You can view breakdowns by day, week, and month to understand consumption patterns over time. For daily views, track your energy consumption throughout the day. The app shows real-time updates and trends, helping you identify peak usage times. The Tesla app uses artificial intelligence to analyze your usage patterns and provide personalized recommendations. For example, it might suggest charging your Powerwall at night when electricity rates are typically lower. Track your efficiency metrics to see the percentage of energy that comes from your solar panels versus the grid. This gives you a clear picture of your energy independence, showing how self-sufficient your home is. The Energy dashboard displays real-time information, including power consumption, device usage, and historical trends. Use this to monitor and optimize your energy habits. View your smart home energy management interface, showing solar generation, grid usage, battery status, and other key metrics for comprehensive monitoring. Powerwall automatically switches to battery power during outages, typically within seconds. Set a backup reserve, e.g. 10 to 50% of capacity, to ensure power availability during extended outages. If you have a backup gateway, Powerwall can power your entire home. Otherwise, it will support essential circuits like refrigerators and lights. This is a critical step to prepare your home for power outages. Time of use plans vary electricity rates based on demand throughout the day. During off-peak hours, rates are lower, while peak hours see higher costs. Powerwall intelligently manages this by charging during low-rate periods and discharging during high-rate times, helping you save money and support grid stability. This chart shows how energy costs fluctuate by time of day and season. Blue represents super off-peak hours with the lowest rates, while orange indicates peak hours with the highest costs. Understanding these periods is key to maximizing savings. In this graph, you can see solar production peaking midday. Powerwall stores energy from solar during the day and off-peak grid hours, then discharges during peak evening hours when rates are highest, reducing your reliance on expensive grid power. By optimizing charging and discharging, Powerwall can reduce your electricity bills by up to 30%. This intelligent management takes advantage of lower off-peak rates and minimizes consumption during expensive peak hours. Beyond personal savings, Powerwall contributes to grid stability by reducing peak demand. During high-demand periods, multiple Powerwalls discharging simultaneously can help prevent blackouts and support renewable energy integration. This setup shows a Tesla vehicle charging from the same system that powers the home with solar and Powerwall. The integration allows for comprehensive energy management, maximizing savings across your entire property. If you encounter connectivity issues with your Powerwall, first ensure your Wi-Fi signal is strong in the installation area. You can restart the Powerwall by power cycling it through the app or manually. Also check your router settings and consider moving it closer if signal strength is weak. To maintain optimal performance, keep your Tesla app updated to the latest version, which includes new features and security enhancements. Powerwall firmware updates automatically, but you can check for them manually in the Energy tab settings. These updates are mandatory for security and performance. Regularly monitor your energy usage through the app's dashboard. Review historical data to identify patterns and adjust settings like backup reserve levels. Optimize for time of use plans by charging during off-peak hours to maximize savings. For additional help, refer to Tesla's official support website for detailed guides and troubleshooting articles. If issues persist, contact a Tesla-certified installer for hardware-related problems. The app's built-in help section also provides quick tips and common solutions.